Hello again, my lovely students. How do you do? I am very happy to be back to present my last lesson for you, my dears. And before I go into the lesson, I would like to share my feelings. And I want you to know that I miss you very much and I love you. And I want to thank you, okay, especially. Thank you for, being cooperative and being responsible and doing your duties, okay, fairly well. I'm not saying, perfectly, okay, because I know most of you are behind in doing your homeworks. But for those who did their best, okay, I would like to say that they benefited a lot. And I promise you that you may not see the benefit right now, but you will see it in the future. And thank you very much for being great. And my dears, as you guys all know that we finished reading and writing Q Skills 1, your book. And the last lesson we presented the last section of Unit 8. And we are done with the book, okay, reading and writing. As you guys know, we did the paragraph, okay, and we explained all of it, and now we are done, okay, with the reading and writing book. My dears, I want to give you an extra lesson. This lesson is called bonus lesson. Bonus lesson meaning an extra lesson to help you to continue your practice, okay, during summer. And what I want you to do is to grab your 4,000 Essential English Words, okay, level 2, your book. We have this book as well. And I want you to go to Unit 15, page 92. My dears, it's okay if you don't have the book. You can go online, okay, and you can write down this name. You can add a dot, okay, then write down PDF. You can download this book also online, okay, PDF. And if you have access to a bookstore or a bookshop, then you can get another book if you lost your book. And I want you to know that in Zanier Bookshop, some of you may know Zanier Bookshop, but I would like to give you the full address of that bookshop, because you can get many useful English books there. It is in Pyramid Street. It is in Pyramid Street, in the end of Pyramid Street. If you ask around, they will tell you where Zanier Bookshop is, and you can get many useful English books, including this one. My dears, I want to set a plan for you to continue your practice during summer, okay? When you are not, you have no link to school, you don't go to school, or some of you may not even participate in English courses, and so you can follow this plan, and then you can, still practice your English. My dears, to finish this, finishing this book is very essential. Finishing this book, okay, until Unit 30, okay, until Unit 30, the last unit, okay, it is very important. Why? Because you will have a chance to learn many new words, okay, which you need. So you have a chance to learn the words you need, okay, not learning words that you don't need, okay. It's important, again, but there are, some words that you may not need right now, but these words, the words which are in this book, you need them definitely, because they are used commonly. They are very, very common, and they are used in writing and reading and speaking and in listenings, okay. We have all of these words, so it is very important for you to learn these and to finish this book. I want you to continue, as we used to do back in school, to learn 5 words a day and write it down on your pad. I hope you still have your pads, and if you don't have the pad, you can get a new one. It's okay. I want you to get a pad and write down 5 new words every single day. But do not write the word, individually. What I mean that do not write the word, only. Write it in a sentence. So you every day you learn 5 new sentences. So learning words in sentence is very helpful to assist you to remember it. Okay, it helps your remembering if you learn words in sentences. So if you study or learn 5 new words every single day, and after, in each unit, after you finish learning the words, you can review it. Then after the review, it's okay if you skip these exercises. But what is important is the story. My dears, what is important is the story. After learning all the words, you come to the story and you read it once or twice or thrice, and you can use dictionary to understand the words in the story. This will help you a lot. I promise you, it will take your English to the next level. It will perfect your English if you keep practicing it every single day without any skipping. Do not skip even a day in your plan. Do this every day, and it will help you a lot for reading, for writing, even for speaking. This helps you because you need information. You need to know how English people, for example, use these words, how English people describe situations. Okay, then you will be able to describe the same situation in English. Okay, and my dears, there you go. Now you know how to continue with this, okay, with this book, and you know the importance of this book. Okay, so I can't stress this enough. And this book is a 6-book series. So this is level 2. Okay, if you finish this, level 2 book, 4,000 Essential English Words. In Zaniar Bookshop, okay, you can also get level 3, which is very, very important. And for next year, inshallah, God willing, okay, we will study the 3rd level of this book. So this is very important because all the words, all the information which is in this book, okay, it is very common. It is what you need. You need these. Okay, you need the words in this book because all of them are common and they are used in writing, in reading, in speaking, when people speak, and in listening when you listen to something, songs or anything. So this book is very important. Okay, my dears, now I want you to listen to me carefully. This is the last thing I tell you. I have brought you, some sources for, some very fun and funny and interesting, things to do during summer. We have reading and watching. Okay, in watching on YouTube, you can always look for songs. You can search for songs, any song you like. I didn't bring you the names of any because that depends on you. You can search and find many English songs. But here, what's important for you to know that to check out these 2 links, these 2 channels on YouTube. The first one is Learn English with TV Series. In this channel, okay, they bring for example, a movie or part of a movie or part of a TV series, and they explain it. They talk about the words which are used in that movie, and the English which is used in that TV series or in that movie. They explain it in detail. So this is very, useful for both your listening, and it doesn't bore you. It isn't boring because you watch the video. There's a lot of, movement and very fascinating and interesting pictures, and you have someone like a teacher. He isn't a teacher, he's just someone who explains the parts of the movie, and it teaches you many useful English words, many useful daily English words and phrases. Okay, and for the second one, Learn English with English Class 101. Okay, this is a very huge channel. We have so many teachers here. Okay, so these teachers, they come and they prepare lessons for you about almost every topic in English language. Okay, they talk about grammar, they talk about vocabulary, they talk about stories, they talk about new words, new phrases, how to better your English, how to, plan, how to set a plan to practice, powerfully, okay, how to be a great English learner. This helps you to do just that. And for these, my dears, when you once you are done with the 4,000 essential English words, once you are done with that, you can, if you like reading, if you love reading, you can go to Zanier bookshop again, and you can buy level 2 stories. My dears, it's okay. If level 2 is easy, it is very easy, you can choose level 3, level 4, or level 5, even level 6. It's okay. Buy one story of level 2 if you, when you read it, okay, if it's, too easy for you, then you can change it to, level 3 or level 4. These are some titles. The first one is London by John Escott. This story, is all about London and gives you a lot of information about, London city. Number 2, 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea by Jules Verne. This is a very interesting story. Okay, it talks about the sea and many, interesting, events happen in this story. In the third story, 5 Short Plays by Martin Ford. In this story, it presents 5 plays. Okay, it's like 5 dramas. Okay, in each there's a lesson to learn. There's a lesson for you to learn. Okay, and the last one is Sherlock Holmes by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. Sherlock Holmes is a detective, my dears. Detective, as you know, is someone who looks for facts when a crime happens. So they go out, they investigate, they look for facts to, prove, and imprison the guilty person, the criminal, or, sometimes they, someone who is imprisoned, but they are innocent. They haven't done anything. They go and, find facts to release that person from prison. So you can find this very interesting, I promise you, because I have read that myself. Okay, there you go, my dears. Now you have everything you need, okay, to continue your practice during summer. And do not forget to have a pad, and to write what you learn in that pad, because that helps you a lot, okay, to further to boost your English, to reading, writing, or listening and speaking. Okay, thank you very much for listening and watching, and again, I love you very, very much. This is the last lesson I give you, and I am happy to have helped you to take your English to the next level, and I hope to see all of you at the peak of success. And I have the best wishes for you, my lovely students, and I hope you follow the plan and you do your best to take your English to the highest level possible. And until another meeting and another lesson, which may take a while, I have my warmest regards for you and your respectful families, and bye bye.